Domestic COVID case numbers continued rising on Friday, reaching a new high of 11,974. New Taipei had the most cases at over 4,000, followed by Taipei with 2,702 cases and Taoyuan with 1,987 cases. Those with moderate symptoms accounted for 29 people, while one person had severe symptoms. The CECC also reported 2 COVID-related deaths.
Since the start of the pandemic, more than 100,000 people have been officially diagnosed with COVID by way of a PCR test. Taipei Mayor Ko Wen-je has proposed skipping the PCR test and using a rapid test instead. On Friday, Health Minister Chen Shih-chung rejected the proposal. This is what he had to say.
现在采检量 PCR 一天大概还没有超过10万嘛哈，那我们总量大概可以做到19万。
We are currently doing fewer than 100,000 PCR tests a day, and we have a daily capacity of 190,000 PCR tests. Secondly, if we replace PCR tests with rapid tests, I have to explain something to everyone. What we're seeing is that 88% to 90% of those who test positive with a rapid test will test positive with a PCR test. This means that 10% will not actually have COVID-19. If we treat them as confirmed patients and then list their contacts as COVID contacts who need to go into home isolation, there would be a greater social cost than necessary. Thirdly, there is the legal issue involved. Testing positive imposes restrictions on freedom. If someone tests positive and they aren't actually infected, that will result in excessive restrictions on their freedom.
Also on Friday, the CECC announced new COVID rules governing food and package deliveries. As a safety precaution, drivers are no longer allowed into hospitals to make deliveries. Confirmed COVID cases and contacts of COVID cases may not open their doors to make face-to-face contact with delivery drivers. Offenders can be reported by the driver. In addition, the CECC said it might set up a special team of couriers to handle riskier deliveries.